Combine means to bring things together into one. Combine means to bring things together into one. For example, milk and sugar combine to make tea taste better. Commit means to promise or dedicate oneself to something. Commit means to promise or dedicate oneself to something. For example, he committed to finishing his work on time. Compete means to take part in a contest or rivalry. Compete means to take part in a contest or rivalry. For example, many students compete for government jobs every year. Comprehend means to understand something completely. Comprehend means to understand something completely. For example, it took time to comprehend the meaning of the poem. Conclude means to bring something to an end or decide. Conclude means to bring something to an end or decide. For example, we can conclude that practice improves performance. Confess means to admit that you have done something wrong. Confess means to admit that you have done something wrong. For example, he confessed his mistake to his teacher. Confident means having strong belief in yourself. Confident means having strong belief in yourself. For example, she felt confident before her interview. Confirm means to make sure or verify something. Confirm means to make sure or verify something. For example, please confirm your attendance for the meeting. Confuse means to make someone unable to think clearly. Confuse means to make someone unable to think clearly. For example, the difficult question confused the students. Conserve means to protect or save something from being wasted. Conserve means to protect or save something from being wasted. For example, we must conserve water for future generations. Consider means to think carefully about something. Consider means to think carefully about something. For example, consider all the facts before taking a decision. Construct means to build or create something. Construct means to build or create something. For example, they plan to construct a new bridge over the river. Contribute means to give or add something for a purpose. Contribute means to give or add something for a purpose. For example, everyone should contribute to the team's success. Convince means to make someone believe or agree. Convince means to make someone believe or agree. For example, he convinced his friend to join the coaching class. Cooperate means to work together for a common goal. Cooperate means to work together for a common goal. For example, the students cooperated with the teacher during the project. Correct means to remove mistakes or make right. Correct means to remove mistakes or make right. For example, please correct the spelling errors in your answer. Create means to make something new. Create means to make something new. For example, artists create beautiful paintings. Criticize means to point out faults or judge something. Criticize means to point out faults or judge something. For example, don't criticize others without understanding their effort.